Hello everyone, I'm coming back to you again with a very small Publix haul. I picked up the two Visines eye drops. They were BOGO this week. They were $4.79 at my store. And I picked up two Lily's baking chips. They were BOGO at $6.79. I had two coupons that I printed from coupons.com for the Visine, $1.50 off each, and then I printed two Lily coupons for $1 off each. I also had a promotion from Publix. I guess a promotion. If I spent $10 or more, they would give me $2 back. So I earned an extra $2 off my receipt. My final total was $4.58 for 4 items. But wait, it even gets better. You know I had to roll those IBOTTA rebates into this. So what I got back was I got 75 cents on each bag of the Lily's chocolate, and I got $1.50 back from IBOTTA on the Visine and each box of those. So I'd have a total savings of $9. Look below for my final total of what I actually paid. But out of pocket, I paid $4.58. All right, talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.